Hi, this is Tom with Selkcomm. This is a 2009 Ford F350. It's the Super Duty crew cab, four-wheel drive. It has the Powerstroke diesel. This was a Homeland Security vehicle. It's spent its life out here in the desert in El Paso, Texas. So there's absolutely no rust issues. Body's really clean. I mean, it's a good-looking truck. Tires are in good shape. Got a set of factory 20-inch mag wheels on it, which they're kind of pretty. I like them. Has the factory towing, Class 5 hitch. This was a patrol vehicle, so it has the receiver hardware in the back for the campers that they put in these trucks. So that's what that's all about. You know, it's government owned and maintained, so it's been taken care of with regular scheduled maintenance. It's got cloth seats and vinyl floor, which they all do. They take the center consoles out on these trucks and they put their communications consoles there. I've literally sold hundreds of these in this area, and I have no access to the center consoles at this point, so you probably have a better shot at getting that console in your neighborhood than I do, or maybe going to an auto parts place, and getting an after factory one, but they're dried up around here. Nice clean interior, headliner's nice and clean. Take a look at the back seat. The lens out on that mirror that I'm going to replace tomorrow, but it had a cracked lens, so. And I'm going to replace the windshield as well. We were detailing the truck yesterday and somebody leaned in the corner and it just cracked, so no biggie. Truck drives nice. The 20s make it sit up a little high in the air, and it handles great. I mean, it's just nice and crisp. We've got power windows, power door locks, power side view mirrors, towing mirrors, heated. Cruise control. Got a nice MP3 stereo. I've been listening to my podcasts on it, so that works great. Oh boy. Let's see what we got here. It's got a 103,456 on the miles. This one actually has an hour meter on it and showing 48.95 on the hours. We checked this vehicle out from end to end, and we have found absolutely no mechanical issues with it. Okay. Couple brand new batteries, all fresh fluids and filters. And that's at operating temperature, so there's virtually no crankcase venting at all. So this is really a healthy motor. That's what a good one sounds like, folks. Nice and clean. These trucks have tremendous power. There's a couple of things you can do to them that, you know, if you can get away with them in your neighborhood, like putting a D-lead pipe for the DPF on and a simple tuner, develop about 500 horsepower, you know, without any real muss or fuss. I love to drive them. They're just quick. They've got a twin type turbo on them that spools up fast and just you know, gives you a real quick response. I just love them. I think they're great trucks. They have to be maintained. I mean, you have to take care of them. You have to change the oil. They demand fresh oil and fuel filters, and there's just no way around it. And reading the owner's manual is probably a smart thing to do too. But if you take care of this truck, you know, they'll last forever. I bought one on Thursday with 267,000 miles on it. It was belonged to a local service company, and it just runs like a dream. So anyway, I'm here in El Paso, Texas. My name is Tom. The name of my company is Selkcomm. You can call me here at area code 915-244-2871. You can view our inventory on eBay under Selkcomm, and that's Selkcomm. Or you can view our inventory on YouTube, and that's also under Selkcomm, and that's Selkcomm. You can actually subscribe just with a click of a button to my YouTube channel and get inventory updates. A lot of my customers find that useful. And you can do the same thing with my eBay page. So, you know, as we get inventory updates, you know, you'll be advised. And like I said, if this isn't the right truck at the right time, you know, maybe we can help you out sometime in the future. So this is Tom with Selkcomm once again. Give me a call here in El Paso, 915-244-2871. Thanks for looking. I appreciate it.